So let us find the equation of the circle with the center as 0, comma 2 and the radius is 2, right? The the formula or the equation of the circle, which is given as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to the radius square, which is r square. Here, what it refers h and k is, that is 0, comma 2, and r is 2. So let us substitute it. So you get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square, which is 2 square. Now, when you simplify this, you get the equation of the circle, which is x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Now let us find the equation of the circle whose center is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 and the radius is 1 by 12. Again, using the equation of the circle, which is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now your that is h comma k will be 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4, and your radius r will be 1 by 12. So let us substitute it. So x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 by 4 whole square, which is 1 by 12 whole square. So when you simplify this, you get the final solution as x square plus y square minus x minus 1 by 2y plus 44 by 144 is equal to 0. And further simplifying this, you get 36x square plus 36y square minus 36x minus 18y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle, with where the center is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, and the radius as 1 by 12. Now let us find the equation of the circle when the center is 1, comma 1 and the radius is root 2. So again, h comma k, which is 1 comma 1, and the radius r, which is root 2. Let us substitute x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to root 2 whole square. So after simplifying this, you get as x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle with the center as 1 comma 1 and the radius as root 2. Now let us find the equation of the circle whose center is minus a comma minus b and the radius is a square, square root of a square minus b square. Yeah. Now you know that h comma k, which is minus a comma minus b, and the radius, which is r, which is square root of a square minus b square. Let us substitute this uh, in this equation of the circle. So when you substitute it, so x, this is minus of minus, so this will be plus a, x plus a whole square, and this is y plus b whole square, and the whole square of this. Okay, square root under this. So when you try to simplify this, you get as x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle where the center is minus a minus b and the radius as square root of a square minus b square. Now let us have a look at the other way around, where you have to find the center and the radius of the circle for the given equation, which is x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 36. Now we know uh, the general form of the equation, which is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h and h comma k are the center of the circle and r being the radius. Okay, so if you look at when you compare with this, so you get h comma k, which is this is minus 5, and this is 3. Okay, which is the center, and the radius is r, which is square root of 36, which is 6. Now let us look at the center and the radius of the circle, where your equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 is equal to 0. Now we know that we have to write in this form, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So let us get all the x terms in one uh, term, which is x plus x square plus 4 minus 4x minus 4x, and the y terms, that is y square minus 8y. Now the our terms, let us try to get on the right hand side, which is 45. So as you look at this, I am still missing of some of the other terms, the constant terms, which I can add and subtract. So if I add for this, that is x square minus 4x plus 4, right? So I will also subtract. So if I subtract that, and I'll bring it on the right hand side with 4. And again, this is y square minus 8y. So again, I'll add 16 for this. So I have to subtract 16, right? So if you bring it on the other side, which is 6 plus 16, and this is 45, right? So we got this on the left hand side, that is this is x minus 2 whole square, and this will be y minus 4 whole square, and when you simplify, this will be uh, 65. So your center uh, uh, will be for the equation, which is 2 comma 4, okay, and the radius, which is square root of 65, because here r square is 65, so r will be square root of 65, which is the radius. Now let us find the center and the radius of the circle, which is of this x square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12. Now we can also compare this with respect to the general form, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx, right, plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now here, if you compare this 2g is minus 8, and 2f uh, is 10, and the constant, which is c, which is minus 12, right? So g will be minus 4, and f will be that is 5. So if you look at this, g and f are the center of the circle, uh, which is minus 4 and 5 in this case. And to find, okay, which has got the negative of this, so this is minus of minus, so this is minus 4 and minus 5, okay, and the r will be the square root of g square plus f square minus c, right? So which is square root of 16, 25, and 12, which is root 53. This is the other form of writing or finding the center and the radius. Now let us find the center of the radius of the circle for the given equation, which is 2x square plus 2y square minus x. Now this is when you compare this with respect to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So you find that I have to put in this form, right? So here you find that here y term are missing, that is 2fy, and the constant are missing. So let us divide the whole the given equation, which is 2y square to divide by 2. So we get x square plus y square minus 1 by 2, x is equal to 0. So as you can see here, when I compare with the here, I need 2g, 2g which I get as minus half, and 2f as 0. I don't have any y terms, and the constant which is 0 here, right? So here g will be minus 1 by 4, and f will be 0, and c is 0, right? So the center will be, that is minus g comma minus f, which is 1 by 4 comma 0, and the radius, okay, you have, that is r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, which is equal to 1 by root 16 plus 0 minus 0, which is equal to 1 by 4, which is r.